Getting sales in Big Cartel easily is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, optimize product listings. So, use high-quality images that showcase your products. Write clear and compelling product descriptions. Also, highlight key features and benefits. Then, create limited-time promotions to encourage urgency. Bundle products for discounts or offer buy one get one free deals. Provide discount codes for first-time customers. Also, promote your products on social media platforms. Share engaging content, including product images, behind-the-scene glimpses, and customer testimonials. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads. Set a budget and target specific demographics that align with your customer base. Use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions. Optimize meta tags and descriptions. And create a blog or content section to improve organic traffic. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and comments. Encourage customer reviews and testimonials. And host Q&A sessions or posts on social media to interact with your audience. Also, offer a discount or exclusive content in exchange for email signups. Ensure your website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Also, optimize for mobile devices to accommodate users on different platforms. Use clear call to actions to guide visitors through the purchasing process. Next, partner with influencers or bloggers in your niche to promote your products. Influencers can provide exposure to their followers and potentially drive sales. Set up automated emails to remind customers about items left in their shopping cart. Lastly, use analytics tool to track website traffic, popular products, or customer behavior.